The recipe I'm going to be sharing with you today, if you have this for dinner, you'll lose weight very fast, provided you exercise also. Yes, so you need one mango. And yes, from my personal experience, I didn't gain weight with mangoes. And mangoes are full of benefits also, and it is very tasty and filling. And today's recipe is going to be gluten and lactose free. I totally believe that when I avoid gluten and lactose, I lose weight faster. So another alternative to milk is almond milk. And yes, almond milk has loads of benefits and it's extremely good for our health. I've taken a chocolate flavor. You can have plain flavor also. I add both these ingredients in the blender, blend it super well. And yes, that's all. You can add in coconut sugar if you wish or jaggery if you wish, but I didn't need that. So I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to hit a like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and yes, see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.